What's going on, guys? So we're going to talk about how to become a day trader, and not just any kind of day trader, but a consistent and profitable day trader. So I know a lot of you guys are on YouTube, you guys are on Twitter, you guys are on StockTwits. You see all these guys posting up the big, fancy, flashy gains. You know, they're making 100%, 200%, 300%. Guys, I'm not saying that that does not happen, as I have had, you know, 1, 2, 300% winners in the past, but those type of winning days do not come often. Okay. You don't get that many winning trades that are like 200%. You know, it's very seldom that someone takes $1,000 account and grows it to 100,000. Now, if you're talking about, you start with $1,000, you manage your risk well, you're taking 10, 15%, especially if you're playing options. You're kind of managing that risk tight to the vest. Can you kind of double up or flip that account in a month? I could see that happening. You know, but realistically, if you want to become a successful and a profitable day trader, there's one thing that you do need to understand. It takes money to make money in this game. If you come into this business with $500 and you're looking to make 5 grand, I can almost guarantee you are going to get smacked. Now, you can take some of the best traders, you know, that you personally have seen on social media, give them a $500 account, and they can probably blow that in one or two trades. Reason being, their risk appetite is a little bit different. They're going to let the trade go a little bit longer. Now, if you're someone who only has $500 on reserve and you don't really have, you know, that wallet in the back pocket to kind of reload your trading account, you cannot sit here and try to play aggressive. Also, you're going to need a strategy. You're going to need to understand market structure. You're going to need to understand when is the best time to take a trade and when should you not trade. A lot of times, newer traders, I see it all the time. You guys want to hear the bell ring at 6:30, and then you guys want, well, I'm on Pacific Standard Time, so 9:30 Eastern Time. You guys want to hear the bell open, you want to start taking 5, 10, 15 trades the first 1 to 2 minutes of the day. Guys, patience, relax. The stock market has been here a lot. You know, it's been here a long time. It's been here way before you, and it's going to be here way after you. The point being is that, you know, you're not going to miss out on a trade. There's no reason to feel FOMO, guys. I hate when people feel FOMO, like, you know, you missed a trade, so you're never going to make money again. Or you took a trade, you know, the first 5 minutes of the market, lost, and now you're, you know, kind of, you know, bawling your eyes out and, you know, pulling your hair out and you know, pouting that, you know, you only have two day trades left and your account is down 50% on a $500 account. Guys, the best traders in the world will tell you, you do not need to trade every day. You do not need to trade off the open. You do not need to trade, you know, the hottest stock of the day. You know, what is the next short squeeze? Is it Mullen? Is it AMC? Is it all these other junk stocks that everyone's playing? Guys, that all sounds great, but realistically, your most best and highly professional traders are trading the same 1, 2, 3 names day in and day out. What does that mean? If you're a Tesla trader, predominantly you're a Tesla trader. If you trade Apple, you're predominantly going to trade Apple. If you trade something like Microsoft or AMD or Nvidia, you're probably going to trade those 2 or 3 instruments. Hell, there's people who just trade the SPY, just trade the triple Qs ETF. There's people who just trade futures, so forth and so forth. It's not always about trying to find what's moving today, what's washing out, what's the next short squeeze, what's flushing, what's making all-time highs. Guys, none of that. You got to step back, relax. If you really want to become a professional day trader, hell, if you just want to become profitable at day trading, it's going to take a few things. It's going to take capital. If you don't have capital, I would recommend either starting a side hustle, working another job, and or get funded. Go work for a prop firm. Check the link down in my description box below. I work with a fantastic US based, that's very important, US based out of Chicago prop firm. You guys can get funded up to $150,000. If you don't have money, go through training, get funded, 150 grand in your pocket. Well, not realistically in your pocket, but on the brokerage account, so you can be able to day trade up to $150,000. Also, you're going to need patience. Okay. You are going to need patience. If you have a hard time with patience, you're going to need to learn it. Whether you need to do yoga, whether you need to go for a walk, whether you need to go to the gym and get a nice workout before the session starts, whatever you need to do to relax your mind and relax your emotions before the market opens, you need to do that. Also, 3, you're going to need to put in your homework. Meaning you can't just show up when the market opens not knowing what you're going to trade and just be looking at your watch list, looking at the scanners, looking at Twitter, trying to find a stock to trade. It's never going to happen, bud. It's never going to happen. You need to get focused and dial in. You need a strategy. Number 4, if you don't have a strategy, at least join my Discord. It's free to join the Discord. You can get some tidbits here and there, see the stocks that the other guys are trading. If you want a little bit more access, I do have a paid section where we kind of go in depth a little bit more, do some live trading, so forth and so forth, live voice calls. If you guys need a strategy and you want to learn kind of how I'm day trading these options, visit my website, evolutiontraders.com. It's an easy fix. Become a lifetime member and I'll show you guys how I get down. Also, you're going to need to pick a couple of stocks and watch those stocks day in and day out. If you're going to trade mega cap, if you're going to trade the Qs, if you're going to trade, high beta stocks, your Teslas, your Amazons, your Microsofts, your Facebooks, your Apples of the world, you're going to need to understand how they move. If you have a $500 account, well, you're probably not going to be able to trade Tesla, but you might be able to trade AMD. You might be able to trade Apple. If you have a $10,000 account, you might not want to be trading Amazon, but you could probably trade Nvidia. So you need to learn what stocks you can trade. Guys, I hope this video kind of helps you. If you want more information, leave me a comment. I'll make another video. I'll go over some strategies, whatever you guys want to talk about. Also, join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.